all the beautiful smell. Before Cleopatra, we had a Balkis with Saba city in Yemen. So that means, you know how many, Nabina Yusuf, Nabina, so many, all the prophets went. So Nabi Sulaiman, there was days she was Balkis there.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's a long history.
It's a long history.
It's a long history.
Yes. Sometimes where we have a Vermont, because it's what we eat, the medication. It could be the environment you live. If I live in an environment like this, I'm always going to smell good. That's why I never smell you in any food. I'll be honest with you. Because I'm nose before perfumer. I craft perfume, yes, but before that, it's my nose. That little nose can bring a lot of things.
I think our Asians, what we do, we are more, concentration on eating. What we, the apple tree. What we're gonna think? We're gonna just take the apple and eat it, or make something sweet food with that, or like a jam with it. We just think of that because our Asian, our brains start from eating and shop. Eating.
When I lived back home, whether I was in Egypt or whether I was in Saudi Arabia, although I haven't lived in Somalia that long, which I don't know anything about it that much, the country itself, which all the work going on. But believe me, the time I have is too much because I don't clean, I don't wash, I don't cook. I'm a Mrs. Bash, I'm not driving, I have my driver, my kids have a maid, someone is cooking, so you are the queen of the house.
I always think,
yes,
or I always see, Bakhur is only for the house fragrance.
If you're going out in the evening, you don't want to wear a lot of perfume, you don't want to, but this smells divine. After shower, just take the spoon and put it in your body. That's it. After left, take your spray, your clothes, wear it, step out.
I have a rapid fire round for you. I'll ask you a question, you have to give answer like
quickly.
Okay. Quickly.
Okay.
Oud or before?
Before.
Musk Tahara or rose type?
Musk Tahara.
Strong evening oud or fresh daytime mist?
Oud.